Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a backup on the Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. Okay, so all we need to do is to open up our settings, and from here we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find backup or copy data. In here we have the first option, which is backup data. Oh, sorry, my bad. Click on backup data. In here, remember your Google account that you are currently logged into, because in the future when you will want to restore your backup, you need to log into the same Google account, and also make sure that there is some free space. Okay, make sure also that backup by Google One is enabled right in here, and now all you need to do is to simply click on backup now. Now the process will start. And now under the backup you can see this thin bar, and when it comes to the opposite edge it will mean that the backup is successfully made, but it might take a little bit, so you need to be patient. So let's wait until it's finished. Okay, and now you can see on the bottom of the screen that our data has been successfully backupped. Alright, also below we have copy data using Android switch, but this option is used to bring data to your phone, not to copy into another device, so we don't need to use that. Alright, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.